beautiful people. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Like up the video. Hey my beautiful people. Just in the garden and chill out. Yeah. Rain just done fall. I'm gonna look at where something with me and grow. No joke. Beautiful like a rain just done fall. I wanna see them. I'm happy. I sure know what I want. Like up the video. You know, it's about after 5 in the evening now, people. Beautiful color right here, so. It just grow by itself, my people. By itself, it grow. I never me plant that one. See what I plant here. Alright, look at that, my people. Yes, man. Yeah, these are all gungos. Yes, people. Yeah, got plant around here, my people. Plant right here. Okay. That is it, my people. Beautiful. Rain just done falling, but it never fall that hard. So we got all ginger behind here, so look down there. Ginger. Right on the log. Yeah, man. And also I got some pop chows right here, so. Yeah, man, pop chow there. You can see them, a bus. These are, comment and tell me what are these. My beautiful people. Yeah, they just grow wild. But I don't weed them out, I just make them grow, cause I realize that them can do wonders for the body. Yeah, I got a lot of them. See them there, one more on there. Yeah, they just grow wild in my homestead here. Yeah, I watch you behind this. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, smell that. Yeah, so strong. So got more gungo right here. Yeah. Yeah, man, December. Holy pa gungo we are eat. You hear me, people? No joke. Yeah, man, gungo rice and peas we got for December. Yeah, so you guys in the US can fly down for your rice and peas. Okay, no joke. Fly down. Subscribe to the channel. Remember this, my people. It's growing, it's growing. Yeah, I feel like I'm going to ripen this banana right here. Yeah. I'm going to ripen it. And I make them ripe till they speckle. I'm going to make like smoothies with it. Okay, I'm going to show you all of that. Yeah, just go and stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, look upon it, my people. Full up. Crazy, man. Look at it. It's like one root of plant there. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So many. Yeah, I got a little more salt right here, but through the banana shade it. It's not growing that fast. And rare I eat it, look at it. Every night the rare I attack it, man. I don't know, I stay up late with flashlight, I can't see this worm. You eat down all my papachi too. I'm going to show you my papachi that worm eat too. Yes, this is mountain salt, my people. Yeah, I got a lot of them that I plant. I'm going to show you. Yeah, I got one more plant tree here. Remember, I tell us the rain just don't fall. Yeah, but you know, only for water really get another rain. See it? Yeah. See, I got yam right in the background here. Got pepper tree right here. Look at it. Yeah. Look at this yam. It's growing. Look at the tentacles over here. Look at it. Yeah, man. Big up all of my people in the US and Canada and India. Big up on yourself. Okay? Subscribe. something. Look at this. Remember this, guys? Yeah. Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. It's almost starlight. Yeah. Man. Beautiful. Remember, I said my video it and show you, guys. Check out the video, you see. You see when we did that show when I did smaller. Look at it now. Fully. See? It's loaded, guys. It's loaded. Yeah, man, beautiful, man. Big up all of my fans them in the US. I want to say big up all the Jamaican bloggers, them real one them. I don't know myself. Yes, people, look on the pumpkin now. See all one more in the background here. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, man. So we do it, man, people. Yeah, man, a yard man thing, man. Yard man style. No joke, man. This morning, I give one of my bridging on a sucker right here now. You know? Yeah, but tell her the truth, him did give me the one sucker. And look how much all of the plant that I show you. Yeah, from one sucker. I just transplant them and breed them up. Look at it. Look at it. I catch it up. Because it's so loaded. Look at that. Yeah, man. It's growing, people. It's growing. It's growing. Oh, fuck. What is jumping? Yeah, it's growing, people. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is me. I'm 18 subscriber now, my people. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. The people, the pumpkin and blossom, you know. But Joe, it's getting soon dark now. It's close up. Going to bed now. Yeah. But it wanna spray, my people. Yeah, it wanna spray. Cause wear my attack it at night. Yeah, no joke, my people. Wear my slippers and socks. Yeah, watch your people. Fat. See how the vine them? Fat, my people. And healthy. Look at this one. Look at this leaf right there. You see? All natural, people. Yeah, no fertilizer. But I did dig a compost right here. Where the root is. Yeah, I did make a compost couple months ago. And before I plant this pumpkin. And then plus I did throw some charcoal down there. And a lot of peeling skin right here. Yeah, about 8 months ago before I plant this. So I guess I eat a feed the ginger. And I guess I eat a feed the pumpkin. And feed the plant right here. Look at it. Yeah, beautiful. Right on the fence line, my people. Yeah, man, look at it. Taller than me, you know. Yeah, taller than me, people. Yeah, man, fully. Right there, so the compost. I did plant it, so I guess I eat a feed it. Feed the ginger over there. Feed the pumpkin right here. And now it's feeding the plant. I guess you're going to feed this one too. Another mountain sap tree. I told you, I got a lot of mountain sap. Yeah. So for me, all of my subscribers, them. So just subscribe to the channel. And mountain sap plant. Every one of my subscribers get mountain sap. No joke. Like up the video. One more mountain sap. Beside the plant right here. Seed plant now we have beer. Got mountain sap beside it. Yeah, but the worm them, my people, worm. A lot of worm attack them at night time. Look at this. I guess if the worm didn't attack it at night, it would have grown bigger than this already. You comment and tell me what I can do with it. Pumpkin so beautiful, people. So beautiful, my people. Subscribe to the channel. So, people. Yeah, man. I have a whole lot of work to do in the garden still, but it's coming on so beautiful. I love it. As you can see in the background, I got a lot of yellow ginger, aka yellow ginger. Look at it. Yeah, man. A lot of yellow ginger, people. Crazy yellow ginger. So subscribe. If you want yellow ginger, link up. Okay? Anywhere there in the world, you can get yellow ginger. Just subscribe to each other. Come on, you see. Remember this, people. Check out last video, people. Check out last video when we did that show you. I'm gonna tell you what the problem with it. It's so small. I did spray something upon it and it is stunted, but now started to grow, my people. Yeah, actually tall like yellow ginger now. Yeah, but I fear the worm gonna do it like how it do this one. Young people. See the worm do this. You have all that to leave. Yeah. But I guess it was spring back, I don't know. That spring back, as you can see, people, just a spring back some small amount of leaf. Yeah, but I just want it bare, people. Look at it. One alone it bare, I don't know. Just bare one and keep growing and growing, but worm eat off some of the leaf them. Yeah, but it's coming on, say me people, it's coming on. Yeah, I want it to bear. So I don't want to give up on it like the pumpkin. Remember I told you I don't give up on the pumpkin. I'm gonna show you the pumpkin now. Pop pop. Yeah, Papa I for the camera. Yeah. She pregnant, you know. I feel her kid that, you know. And the next one, next black and brown one. Yeah, she pregnant, she keep on sitting. Look at her belly. She's so pregnant. Yeah, if you wanna send some dog food for him, you can just comment, okay? She pregnant. And she have to hunt like a mile to get food, you know, my people. Tell her the truth, I'm so busy, I don't have time to really like feed them like that. Yeah, she have to go like a mile out to the highway to hunt. But she's a survivor. This is her child. Yeah, chill outside. And the next one her child too. Yeah, her second child. Yeah, man, she dropped like all 7 puppy. One time. Upon her. She defend the yard, you know. So bad, you know. Yeah. Sensible too. She understand what I'm talking about, you know. Yeah. You see, she notice when I talk to her, you know. She ignore me. So she said, go on now, no? Okay. Yeah, man, see Mother Vine, people. Right, I say Mother Vine there, you know. See Mother Vine. Nah, give up on it, but where am I deal with it, man? Where am I want to get it down? Tell her where am I deal with it so bad. And the other Mother Vine, they right down here, so. Yeah, gone cheat on the lime tree. Look at this lime tree. Yeah, man. Fully lemon, people. You know, I want it beer, you know, start beer fully yet. Look at it. Young people, look at this lemon here. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Fully lemon. Planted from a seedling. Look at it now. Crazy amount of lemon down here. Taller than me, you know. Gone straight up to the pear tree. Right up there. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man, just go and like up the video. And big up all of my Jamaican blogger again. The real one, them. You don't know yourself. Tag all of the real Jamaican blogger and tell them our lifestyle is here. Okay? No joke.